From Wolf Gourmet comes a blank slate for cooking creativity. Introducing the Wolf Gourmet Precision Griddle. This high-performance appliance offers the versatility to sear, saute, grill, and steam on one surface, no pots or pans required. The griddle's heating element is cast directly into the thick, professional-grade aluminum cooking surface, providing even cooking from 250 to 450 degrees. The griddle's precision heating element makes it easy to start your day with a stack of fluffy, evenly cooked pancakes, while the nonstick surface makes them easier to flip. At lunchtime, the griddle's advanced temperature control is key to preparing a golden, perfectly crisp croque monsieur. The 11x17 professional-grade cooking surface can handle enough food for the entire family. Versatility shines at dinner time as you start with high heat to sear an appetizer, then switch techniques to prepare your main course. The lid's high profile provides plenty of room for cooking thick cuts of meat, and the unique vented design allows you to cook and steam a variety of foods. And cleanup's a breeze. The removable drip tray is dishwasher safe, while the nonstick surface wipes down effortlessly. With the Wolf Gourmet Precision Griddle, high performance and versatility mean the dish you envision will be the dish you serve.